Welcome everybody to the Right to Grow Rich program. They say 85% of success is just showing up. So you should give yourself a round of applause just for making this leap and stepping up today. For purchasing this program and being a part of this lucrative opportunity to become a not just a self-published author, but a successful rich one. And what we're going to learn today is how to write your book, how to define it, how to understand the concept that you're trying to relay to people. Also, we're going to learn how to define your audience. So when you're actually marketing to people, you know exactly your direct niche and who you're trying to influence. Now, because most people want to have a blanket book for everyone, but understand when you start with a particular niche inside, you build an audience. And as you build an audience, you build a brand. And as you build a brand, you build a career. So you want to have a direct niche of who you're trying to market to. Also, we're going to teach you how to do a writing schedule. Many people are very busy. They have lives, they have kids, they have their leaders, and they have employees that they have to watch. So they have no time to read. So we're going to or write. So we're going to have you do a writing schedule, which is going to be defined just specifically for your needs. So I'm not going to make the schedule, you actually are. And it's going to show you how many hours you can actually put per week in order to get to your major goal. We're going to work on your mindset. That's what the think part of Right to Grow Rich is the writing part and thinking of the mindset on how to become a successful author. Because there will be some downtimes, there will be some downturns. But if you have the proper mindset, you'll always keep going because this is what you're meant to do and this is who you're going to be. And this takes a definitive decision. Also, we're going to teach you how to be unique in your book, how to help your book stand out from the rest of the crowd. You know, we live in a cookie-cutter society where everyone's following the follower. But if you could be a leader inside your niche, it will prepare you and launch you to better sell your books, which is the whole point. You know, we want to write books because we love it, but we also want to be able to sell it because that's how you build a career. Also, besides being unique, we're going to teach you how to market directly. To market directly to your customers and potential customers. Also, if you're not an expert, you're maybe a novice in your industry, it's okay. We're going to show you some researching tools on how to become, seem like an expert with all the research and background information that you've acquired. So this is what the Right to Grow Rich program will help you do. And it's simple, so simple I've seen kids do it in one day. So what we're going to do is really show you how to implement all these skills and make yourself the best author you possibly can be. And if you have any questions whatsoever, don't ever hesitate to email me at info@powerofselfent.com, where we show you how to publish help, editing help, getting cover help, everything you need. Because we are a resource. We want to see you successful. So many programs, once you have the program, they leave you alone and that's it. You always have a lifetime call or email capabilities just to reach me and my team. So if you're ready, I'm ready, let's prepare to write to grow rich.